going on?
Do you all truly believe in Tom's story? James, what you and the others saw may not have been as strange as you think. The fog could have simply been playing tricks on you.
Gordon, I'm serious. The half engine is all too real.
I'm sorry you have to find out this way.
She can still be working about it.
Oh, yeah?
Just like every other tall tale we heard here before. And with that, Gordon returned to his berth and went to sleep, while Bobby and Lori left to go home. The other engines and their crews followed suit, but some found it hard to sleep that night, in fear that the half engine was around.